discover the perfect spot to catch the sunrise and start your day in the most beautiful way possible. Located in the eastmost point of Guadeloupe, Pointe du Château offers a stunning view of the ocean and rugged coastline and the neighboring islands. And the best part, it's not about the destination, it's about the journey. And you gotta stop and take a moment. Like seriously guys, I'm not trying to be that motivational guy here, but it's really true. And you can catch your breath at the same time. I'm gonna head over there, check out the big cross, my morning prayers, and tag along, man. If you're liking it so far, hit that like button, man. It helps me push this video out as much as people. So that will definitely help me out, man. You don't even have to subscribe. If you watch this far, just hit the like button. I'll wait. Enjoy the view, man. These are the trails. It takes you all the way there. Oh, by the way, I'm doing this with sandals. Gonna tug it out. Activities that you could be doing around here. So, réservez votre journée de rêve. Wow, it says reserve your dream day. I don't know if you can see it. So little bars. Wow, this is dope. Oh yeah. It opens at 10:30. Yo, margarita, pina colada, €3. It's too early, it's too early. It's too early. Is there such a thing? Is it too early for margarita? Pointe du Château is on the east end of Pointe-à-Pitre. It's in Guadeloupe. And for my English speaking, like, excuse my French, but that's how you say it. Don't be calling it Guadeloupe or something. I don't know, maybe there's one in Mexico that's called Guadalupe, but I'm not sure about that. But don't be calling this place Guadalupe, all right? We're gonna head over there to the cross, I don't know, somewhere around there, just to show you guys a big cross, and we'll compare it to the one in Montreal, because you know your boy been up there, you know, Mont Royal. We've been up there. We lived there, actually. That used to be my home, pretty much, that parking lot. I slept many nights there. So yeah, follow along, man. This is magical. And yo, the best thing about coming here early morning, you got the whole thing for yourself. Look at that. Anyway, let's boogie, let's go. Wow, the sun is peeking through there. It's like heaven. I haven't been to heaven. Like, I'm planning on going there like much later, but I think it would resemble something like that, you know? It's wow. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on the next adventure, discovering the Guadeloupe's cliff. We're almost there, man. We're almost there. I can see the cross. I can see the sun already up. It's gonna be a nice sunny day. It's 30. Wow, it's like what the man. Mother Nature is like so perfect. It's so perfect. It's like someone came out here and did the landscape. Like, wow, look at that. Look at that. Man, so Guadeloupe is where it's at, man. This is by far like one of the best beach destination I've been on. All the way up there. All the way somewhere around there. And you know, just like the motivational videos, you know, it's not about the destination, it's about the journey. And you gotta stop and take a moment. Like seriously guys, I'm not trying to be that motivational guy here, but it's really true. And you can catch your breath at the same time. So look at this. I don't think the GoPro is enough, or the iPhone, but I'm gonna try to capture what I'm trying to say as much as possible. This is remarkable. It's like jaw-dropping, like beautiful. Wow. Wow. Check it out. Almost missed this side. like the Young Jock video, like going down. Oh. Jeez.
This cross has become a symbol of faith and devotion for the people of Guadeloupe, and it's a reminder of the island's rich religious heritage. From this vintage point, visitors can take in the breathtaking views of the rugged coastline with the waves crashing against the rocks below.
Yeah, we went off track for a second because we wanted to capture that awe moment in slow motion, linear mode, wide angle, every shot for you. So hit that like button. It's a lot of work, but it's worth it, you know.
Whether you're a believer or not, there is no denying the spiritual power of the natural beauty of the spot.
Yo, we're getting closer to the cross right there. Wow.
At night, the cross is illuminated by spotlights casting a peaceful glow over the surrounding area. Whether you visit during the day or at night, the cross at East Point is a testament to the faith and the resilience of the people of Guadeloupe.
There's like candles, roses. Wow. And right here, under the cross, there's lots of candles and flowers that people put here. Yeah, Ile de la Petite Terre is down that way, somewhere down there. Ile de la Petite Terre, it means a small island or something, small earth, or yeah, something like that. So here we are at Pointe-à-Pitre in Guadeloupe, right under the cross. So this is the landmark, and I'm just again glad to be sharing this with you. And if you just tuned in, just hit that like button, man. This is absolutely gorgeous. If you like what you're seeing, just hit that like button. Wow. Okay, so now we're going back to the car and we're gonna take a drive back to the hotel. But on the way, I'm gonna show you guys what I call pockets of beaches. And here in Guadeloupe, I guess in Saint Francois, like where I am in the East Coast, people just park on the side of the road and just hop off and they get everything. They have the shade, because the trees are just inches before the beach, before the sandy beach. So I'm gonna show you guys that, like how beautiful it is, and especially for a person that sweat like I do, I need shade. And most of the time, like I've been to other beaches like Cancun, I've been to Thailand, where it's just sand and a couple of palm trees, but Pointe-à-Pitre is one of my favorite destinations because we got everything I need all in one place. The local vibe here is you just park your car, you post it up there and get your picnic and stuff ready and dive in, and you got the shades and everything right next to you. So let's go and see what I call pockets of beaches.